One day, a girl named Lily decided to try a challenge. She wanted to spend 1 month without using social media. Lily used social media a lot every day. She thought it would be hard. The first few days were difficult. Lily wanted to check her phone all the time. She missed chatting with her friends online. But she did not give up. Instead of using social media, Lily found new things to do. She started to read books. She found books very interesting. She also started to go for walks outside. Lily saw beautiful trees and birds. She felt happy. Lily also spent more time with her family. They cooked meals together. They talked more. Lily felt close to her family. She was learning new things about them. After 1 month, Lily felt different. She was less worried. She felt calm and happy. Lily realized she did not need social media all the time. Lily decided to use social media less even after the challenge. She wanted to keep reading, walking, and spending time with her family. Lily learned a lot from her challenge. She learned she could enjoy life without social media. She was proud of herself.
What challenge did Lily decide to try? What new activities did Lily start doing instead of using social media? How did Lily feel after completing the challenge?